Hi, this is the procedure of how to set up your environment and how to run your project. Okay, so first of all, I have sent you these two, this link and the code zip. Okay, so what you have to do is to go to this website and download this environment env file. Okay, this is a zip file, and after downloading, you'll get 300 or 600 MB file. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to go inside your C drive. Okay, then there you have to find the users folder, then go inside that. Probably you will be having your name, so go in that username. Now there you will be having a folder called Anaconda, similar to this or maybe this. So since I have multiple Anaconda versions, there are multiple folders. I'll go where I have installed that. So you have to go inside your Anaconda folder. There you have to find envs folder. Go inside that, and you have to just paste that zip file. This is a 7-zip file, so you may have to download this 7-zip. Okay, just download this and install this, so you will be able to extract the files. Okay, now you have to extract these using the 7-zip, extract to ECG and env folder. Okay, then you will get something. After extraction you will get something ECG env folder. There will be a folder, and inside this there should not be another ECG env folder. Okay, it should contain files like this, but if suppose there is a folder inside env folder, what I meant to say is there is a folder here ECG env, and once you click this there is another ECG env folder here, and then after you click that there will be these files. So this is not good. What you have to do, you have to cut or move these files to previous folder. I'll explain. So suppose there is ECG underscore env folder. Okay, and all the other files are inside this folder. So this is not okay for our purpose. Okay, so once you extract this, uh, if by chance there is a folder created and inside this folder is an ECG env folder created, so there are two ECG env folders. Okay, so you have to move these files. This is the environment file. You have to move this file and go to the previous folder and just paste it here. The path will be env ECG env. Okay, and paste these files. Okay, and you can remove this empty folder. You can delete this folder. Okay, so this environment, you have to copy this environment path, copy, and open your PyCharm. Or keep this folder open, let it be open, and we'll browse the folder. Okay, so if you have any other project open, just close the project. Okay, just click this hamburger icon and just click close project. Okay, then you will be able to open any other project. Okay, so, and I have provided you that code zip file. This code zip file has a folder, code zip for delivery, and inside there are these folder, and Arduino, data preparation, inspection, real time, inference, and training. Okay, so this is probably this folder. Okay, So our main GUI code is inside this real-time inference. Okay, so you have to copy the path of this, copy, and open your project and paste this address here. Okay, and then you have to open this real-time inference folder. Okay, open, click OK and open. Now you can see there are these files: ECG, EMG, GUI real-time fast. You have to open this. Okay, so once this is open but the environment is not set, you have to set the environment here. Okay, so open the env folder and copy the address, copy it and click on the lower bottom right side, click on it and go to interpreter settings, or you can click here, add new interpreter, and there will be a pop-up. Click on this, go to Anaconda environment. Since you will be having only one Anaconda installed in your system, you'll get the path of that Anaconda environment here. Okay, so just you have to click the load environment, or the environment that you have just copy pasted, it will appear in this list. Okay, since I have multiple environments, so it is showing a multiple environment lists. So if you can just copy the location to the environment. My environment is inside this folder. You have to select first. You have to select the conda bat file. Okay, if you have to do this if it is not already showing in this path. Okay, if it is showing it, the folder name may be different on your system. It could be Anaconda 3, but it will be showing like this. So once you get this, you have to check whether your environment ECG underscore env is present in your system or not. Okay, you have to check the lists. I'm checking whether it is available or not. Okay, ECG env is present here. Okay, this is when you already have this conda environment set. Okay, if it is not set, what you have to do, and this is the next step that I will be telling you. If this environment is not set, you can skip this step if it is already available. This environment is already available. Okay, so in order to set the environment, what you have to do is copy, uh, go to the Anaconda folder. There will be a conda bin file, a conda bin folder, conda bin folder, and you have to copy this, copy, and first of all you have to paste it like this, or you can browse from this button. Okay, so you can paste the conda bin path, and you have to select inside conda bin, you have to select conda.bat. Okay, then you will be able to load the environment. If you click load environment, it will start loading the environment list of environments present in this particular folder. Okay, so now you will be able to get ECG underscore env and click OK. This will load the environment in your project. Okay, the environment is all loaded. You can see you can see the name of the environment here. Okay, and all the errors will disappear. Okay, errors and warnings that this particular package is not installed, that all these warnings will disappear. Okay, so next step would be to update the Arduino code. So you can run this, but before running this, we have to update the Arduino code. Okay, so for that, what we have to do, we have to go to our project folder, and inside the project folder there will be an Arduino, and you have to click this and use Arduino RDE to open this path. I am using XY Explorer. Okay, so this GUI may be different from normal Windows GUI. Okay, because what happens is this GUI it regularly hangs. So I have changed this Windows. I have replaced this with this. I'm using this. Okay. So now here, what you have to do, you file, open, and you have to browse the folder and open your Arduino sketch. You can delete or you can remove that, and you have to select, you have to connect your Arduino. I have not connected yet, but you'll see your Arduino here, and you have to just upload the file. Okay, this will upload your code. Okay, once this is done, you can verify using your serial monitor if the particular data is you are receiving the data or not. Here what we have done, there's a change, small change. We have updated the speed of the Arduino. Okay, serial speed of the serial port. Okay, so so in previously we were using some other speed, but we have updated it here. Okay, so this is done. Once you have uploaded this, you can connect your Arduino. You can start your Arduino. Oh, sorry, you can connect your Arduino and start this particular GUI file. And for the reference, I'm connecting an Arduino, so you can see the GUI outputs. Okay, and I am this way Arduino. Okay, you can see the Arduino. I need to upload this. Okay, once it is uploaded, you have to run this. Right click on the file and run ECG. Before running this, you can also test using serial port monitor, and you have to set the baud rate here. So go to COM port and set the baud rate. Okay, you can set it right here once serial port opens. So currently it is set on 9600. We have to set this on 230. Okay, 230 400. Okay, and clear this, and you will be having a stream of data. So what we are having, ECG readings, comma, EMG readings, then in a semicolon. So this is the format that we are using. Okay, you can close this, and we can run our code, run ECG. Okay, I have updated GUI. Okay, so it will provide you more information. Okay, so 230 400 COM port was 6 in the Arduino. If you don't know what is the COM port, you can right click on the start menu, go to device manager, and check the COM and LPT port. COM and LPT, the Arduino is on COM 6. Okay, so COM 6 230 400. Then you have to select auto scale and click connect. Then you have to click the calibrate button, so it will calibrate the waveforms based on the input. It will take 5 seconds. Now I haven't used the ECG probes on my body or EMG sensor. I haven't used. I mean, not using this. Okay, but this is what you have to check on your side. What are the waveforms? If the waveforms are good with the ECG and EMG, and what kind of output you are getting. Okay, that you have to check. This output is based on the trainings of Physionet uh, data set. Okay, so details I already sent on WhatsApp, which data set we have used. Okay, you can. So if there is an issue, please leave me a message on WhatsApp, so I will check with that. Okay, thank you.